I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a blockchain wallet. First, you'll need to choose the right type of wallet for your needs. Hardware wallets like a Ledger or Trezor offer the highest security by keeping your private keys offline, making them ideal for long-term storage of significant amounts. Software wallets, such as mobile apps or desktop programs, provide greater convenience for everyday transactions. Your choice depends on your security preferences and how often you plan to access your funds. For a software wallet, begin by downloading a trusted application from its official source. Once installed, you'll create a new wallet, which will generate a unique seed phrase, usually consisting of 12 or 24 words. This phrase is your master key. It is absolutely crucial to write it down on paper and store it in a very secure, private place, perhaps even 2 separate locations. Never, ever share this phrase with anyone, as it provides complete access to your digital assets. If you opt for a hardware wallet, always buy directly from the official manufacturer to avoid counterfeits. Upon receiving it, connect the device to your computer and follow the guided setup process. You will generate a 24-word recovery seed phrase. Write this down meticulously and store it offline in a safe place, separate from the device itself. Finally, set a strong, unique PIN code on the device to secure it from physical tampering. This multi-layered approach ensures maximum protection. Maintaining the security of your blockchain wallet is paramount. Always keep your seed phrase and private keys offline, never storing them on any digital device or cloud service. Enable two-factor authentication on any exchanges or services linked to your wallet for an extra layer of protection. Regularly update your wallet software to ensure you have the latest security patches. Finally, be extremely cautious of phishing scams. Always verify website URLs and app authenticity before entering any sensitive information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.